The markets go bullish. This is Dez here at Grok Trade. The Dow up 162 points. It's Wednesday, April 16th, 2014. And you have the S&P up. Let's pull this over so everybody can see it. Up more than 1%. The Dow the same. Nasdaq leading the charge, up 1.3%, with the Russell's up 1.1%. Banks though not confirming today's run. The banks have just been ever so weak. The VIX though dropping a staggering 9.2%, now just above 14. Gold at break even, silver at break even. Crude oil up 0.25%. Break even on the US dollar. Transportation though up big time, up 1.7%. And utilities, defensive sector, up 0.75%. This is what is noteworthy today. After lower swing highs, lower swing lows, after a sizable sell-off, another red candlestick, we had a couple candlesticks going higher. I drew a trend line from this swing to this swing, going from highest close to highest close, coming down. Really thought that that area would serve as resistance. We open right below a trend line, got through it, and then we hit this trend line, got a little through it, and then we hung up right here at this level most of the day. Until the last hour of the day or so, we pushed higher. Bears had to buy to cover, and bulls started buying, closing at the day's high above one trend line, two trend lines, and a third trend line, and the 20-day moving average. Very, very strong. On a Fibonacci retracement of this drop, we're at 80-85%. Really strong move, busting through a lot of resistance areas. So the markets have to be really, really bullish for that to happen. Here's the bottom line. We still have a lower swing low, and we still have lower swing highs. Don't get too excited yet on the bullish side, because we are still in a defined down trend. If you look here at a weekly chart though, you'll see that we broke a major area of support. Now we've rallied higher. We are now about where we opened the prior week. This could be an area of resistance. This could easily come back down before the week's end, be below 1850. So mark that down. I think by Friday there is a really good chance that we're going to be below 1850. And take a look here at gold. Let's go to a daily chart. We still are hanging out down here like it's wanting to fill a gap. We'll see if it does that. Silver, same thing, just a pause movement. Doji here to the side. Apple up a fraction, coming off these lows from yesterday. Amazon up 2.4%, but Amazon is a buy now. We have a downtrend that is broken, heading higher. So Amazon now is a buy. Facebook, you'll see here, let me get a trend line drawn. At a resistance point, and actually we're at the apex of a triangle. So now that we have two lower shadows like this, look for an upside breakout. That would be interesting to see. On Facebook, Google up 2.8%. This you'll see that we broke a trend line. So Google is a buy. Google is a buy. LinkedIn was a buy yesterday, and it continues to be a buy. Microsoft up 1.64%. It looks a lot like the broad markets as a whole. It broke a trend line that you cannot see here. I might as well put it in so you can see it. Broke it today. And Netflix up 1.6%, building a low base. Twitter down 2.4% after yesterday's breakout. Yesterday's breakout was a buy. I think that we still have a lot of buy opportunities on Twitter. If you look here at a weekly chart, we're bouncing off of a support area, a lot of upside potential. I can see us at 55 before you know it. So 55 would put us about right there. I see a lot of opportunity on Twitter. And going back here, so that's where we're at. We're gonna be doing classes Friday. No, what is it? Thursday night, Friday day, Saturday morning. So I'll get an email sent out. Hopefully you guys can make it. Catch you guys later. Everything we do here at Grok Trade is to help traders become all they can be in the markets. We have simplified something that I'm personally very excited about, a process in which anybody can learn how to trade and make profits in the markets. It takes time, takes some dedication, it takes formalized trading education. So anyway, the magic starts here. Step 1, the 101 courses. Step 2, the 201 courses. Step 3, lifetime mentoring. 101, we do our 101 courses. We do them through emails. You can take them on the website. We do the courses on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The 101s, very basic ABCs, very, very basic. My grandmother could take these and understand what's going on. But the real meat, the real secrets, the things that we have poured over, poured blood and sweat over and put a massive amount of resources and time into putting together the very best online home-based trading curriculum out there. I would venture to guess nobody has something so comprehensive and organized and thorough and well-rounded as what we have in the 201 course as far as trading is concerned, specifically in the areas of technical analysis. To validate this, and I will share this with you. We have mentored 2,000, 2,500 students or so now. Myself, I personally mentored over 800 students, been trading live in the markets for 16 years, utilizing technical analysis. I'm an expert at this. I was hired to become a mentor, coach, and also sat on a prestigious curriculum committee for Teach Me to Trade. Also through Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, Option Success, and Star Trader. So I helped oversee curriculums and education. I believe that our education is more well-rounded because we teach people how to vet stocks, how to find the best companies out there, and we pick them fundamentally. We trade them technically. We spend most of our time on the technicals, and we give all the tips, tricks, everything we do in the markets to make our money, we do here. Then the 301s, which is the lifetime mentorship. But the 201s is comprised of a lot of data, and for example, there's 28 lessons in here. You can see the things here, everything with how to find patterns, how to draw your trend lines, support and resistance lines, how to enter each trade, how to exit to maximize profits, how to know how much risk to put on, how many trades to have on at any given time. It goes into everything, what indicators to use, what oscillators to use. There is a difference between the two, how to analyze a volume. We get into everything. There's 5 courses, 28 lessons. It will take you over 6 hours to go through. Comes with 100% money back guarantee after 12 hours after you make the purchase. Because the courses are over 6 hours, you can almost take them twice and still ask to get your money back if you're not fully satisfied. Everybody loves this. Everybody does this. It is your next step. How do you do it? Go to the website. Once you go to the website, go to the 201 trading courses right here. And these 201 trading courses will give you everything you need to start trading with great confidence in the markets. You will be glad you did this. So go right now to the website, go down here to 201 trading videos, and immediately start your course and start to do trading wisely and well and be savvy at what you do. Catch you later.